Welcome back to Brain Quiz. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? Snail, koala or turtle? Yes, it's snail. How many hearts does an octopus have? 1, 2 or 3? Any idea? Oh my god, 3 hearts. What is the fastest land animal? Lion, cheetah or horse? What's your answer? Well done, it's cheetah. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? Eagle, parrot or owl? Yes, it's parrot. What is the only mammal that can fly? Penguin, squirrel or bat? Oh my god, bat. It's easy. Which sea creature can regenerate its limbs? Well done, it's starfish. What is the tallest animal in the world? Kangaroo, elephant or giraffe? Any idea? Giraffe. Everyone knows that. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion, tiger or leopard? Yes, it's lion. It's too easy. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Whale, tortoise or elephant? Well done, it's tortoise. What is the largest animal on earth? Can you guess the right answer? Yes, it's blue whale. Which animal has no brain? Sea turtle, starfish or jellyfish? Think about it. Yes, option C is the right answer. Which animal can change its color to blend in with its surroundings? Chameleon, octopus or frog? Yes, it's chameleon. What is the slowest animal in the world? Tortoise, snail or sloth? Any idea? Oh my god, it's sloth. It's difficult. Which insect is known for its role in pollination? Ant, bee or butterfly? The right answer, it's a bee. What is the only snake that builds a nest for its eggs? Can you guess the right answer? Well done, it's king cobra. Which mammal lays eggs? The right answer. Which animal produces pearls? Can you guess the right answer? answer. Oyster. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel, elephant, or horse? Oh my god, camel. It's easy. Which animal can regrow its tail if lost? Any idea? Gecko. What is the only big cat that cannot roar? Jaguar, cheetah, or leopard? Any idea? Yes, it's cheetah. Which animal has fingerprints similar to human? Any idea? Oh my god, option C is the right answer. It's difficult. Which aquatic animal is known for its intelligence and playful nature? Shark, whale, or dolphin? I think dolphin is the right answer. What is the largest land carnivore in the world? Can you guess the right answer? Oh my god, polar bear. Which animal has the most number of legs? Any idea? Option B is the right answer. Millipede. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Crocodile, snake, or lizard? Well done, it's a lizard. Which bird cannot fly but is the fastest runner? Ostrich, kiwi, or emu? Oh my god, ostrich. Which animal has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom? Can you guess the right answer? Yes, giant squid is the right answer. What is the only animal that can survive in space? Your answer. Oh my god, option B is the right answer. Which bird lays the largest eggs? Any idea? Ostrich. It's difficult. Which mammal can hold its breath the longest? Whale, sea, or sperm whale? Any idea? Well done, it's a sperm whale. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more GK videos.